Max, I have a problem.
What is it?
Look at this shirt. I bought it for the wedding.
Whose wedding is it?
My cousin's wedding. It's this Saturday.
Oh, that's soon. What's wrong with the shirt?
It's too small. I can't button it.
Oh, no. Did you try a different size?
No, I bought it online. I didn't try it on.
I see. Do you still have the receipt?
Yes, it's in the bag. Why do I need it?
You need the receipt to return or exchange the shirt.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Most stores ask for it.
What if I don't have a receipt?
Sometimes stores can look up your purchase another way, but it's easier with the receipt.
Good thing I kept it.
Yes. Are the tags still on the shirt?
Tags? You mean the little paper tag?
Yes. Stores usually want the tag still attached.
Let me check. Yes, it's still here.
Perfect. Then we can go to the store today.
Do you think they will help me?
I'm sure they will. Most stores want happy customers.
I hope so. The wedding is important to me.
Why is it so important?
My cousin and I grew up together. We were very close.
That sounds special.
My mom used to make our dresses for family events.
Really? Your mom sewed your clothes?
Yes, she was very good at it.
That's a lovely memory.
I still think about her whenever I get dressed for something important.
I understand. You want to look nice for her, in a way.
Exactly. That's why this shirt matters to me.
Then let's get you the right size.
Thank you, Max.
Of course. Should we go now?
Yes, let's go before it gets busy.
Good idea. Do you know which store it is?
Yes, it's the shop on Main Street.
I know that store. It's not far.
Great. Let's walk there.
Sounds good. Bring the bag and the receipt.
I have everything.
Then we're ready.
I hope this goes smoothly.
It should. Returns are usually simple.
I've never returned anything before.
Really? This will be a new experience for you.
Yes, I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry. I'll help you.
Thank you. That makes me feel better.
Let's go.
Excuse me, is this the right counter for returns?
Yes, this is the right place. How can I help you?
I bought the shirt online, but it's too small.
I see. Do you have your receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Let me check the tags too.
They're still on. I checked.
Perfect. This qualifies for an exchange.
What does qualifies mean? It means the item meets our rules for a return.
Oh, I understand.
What are the rules?
The item must have a receipt, tags attached, and be within 30 days.
I bought it 2 weeks ago.
Then you're within the time limit.
That's good news.
Would you like a refund or an exchange for a different size?
What's the difference?
A refund gives your money back. An exchange gives you a different item.
I need this exact shirt, just a bigger size.
Then an exchange is the best choice.
Do you have a bigger size?
Let me check. What size do you need?
I think I need a medium instead of a small. 1 moment, please. Thank you.
Lily, do you want to try it on first?
Yes, that's smart. I don't want to make the same mistake again.
Here is a medium. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please. Where is the fitting room?
It's at the back, past the shoes.
Thank you.
Take your time.
I'll wait here with you.
Thanks, Max. If it doesn't fit, come back and we'll try another size.
Okay, I will.
This is going well so far.
Yes, Nora is very helpful.
I told you it would be simple.
You were right.
Let's go to the fitting room.
Yes, let's check the size.
I hope this one fits.
Me too. The wedding is only a few days away.
Don't worry, we still have time.
I know. I just want this to be perfect.
It will be. Let's go.
Hello. Are you here to try something on?
Yes, I have a medium shirt to try.
Great. Right this way. Room 3 is open.
Thank you.
Let me know if you need a different size.
I will, thank you.
I'll wait right here.
Okay, 1 moment. I'm going to change now.
Take your time. Is this your first time shopping here?
No, we come here sometimes, but this is her first return.
Oh, returns can feel confusing at first.
Yes, she was a little nervous.
Don't worry, our staff makes it easy.
I noticed. Nora was very helpful.
She's been here a long time. She knows the policies well.
That's good to know.
Max, can you come closer? I have a question.
Sure, what's wrong?
Look, does this fit well?
It looks great on you.
Really? It doesn't feel tight.
No, it looks comfortable.
This brand often runs small, so medium is usually the right choice.
Oh, run small? What does that mean?
It means the sizes are smaller than usual for that brand.
That explains it. The small felt tiny.
Exactly. Some brands run small, others run true to size.
True to size means normal, right?
Yes, exactly. You're learning fast. Do you like how it looks in the mirror?
Yes, I really do. It feels comfortable too.
A comfortable fit is important for a long day like a wedding.
that's true. I'll be standing and dancing a lot.
Then this size should be perfect for that. Do you feel confident walking in it too?
Yes, it moves easily. I can walk and sit comfortably.
Thank you. I'm happy this one fits.
You look great for the wedding.
Thank you, Max. I feel much better now.
Would you like to keep this one?
Yes, please. This is the one.
Wonderful. You can change back and bring it to the counter.
Okay, thank you, Ben.
You're welcome. Good luck at the wedding.
Thank you so much.
See, I told you it would work out.
You were right again.
Let's go finish the exchange.
Yes, let's go. Hi again, Nora. This one fits perfectly.
Wonderful. Let's complete the exchange.
Great, thank you.
I do need to mention one thing.
What is it?
This medium is from a new collection. It's priced $3 higher.
Oh, I didn't know that.
You would need to pay the difference.
That's okay. $3 isn't much.
Great. How would you like to pay?
Can I pay with my card?
Yes, card payment works fine.
Perfect. Here you go.
Thank you. I'll process the exchange now.
Take your time.
This will just take a moment.
Lily, are you excited for the wedding now?
Yes, very excited. This shirt looks perfect.
I'm glad we came today.
Me too. I was worried for nothing.
Here is your receipt for the exchange. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Enjoy the wedding. Thank you, I will.
That was easier than I expected.
Yes, much easier.
Most exchanges go smoothly if you have your receipt and tags. I'll remember that next time. Would you like a gift receipt as well, in case you ever want to give this as a gift? A gift receipt? What's different about that? A gift receipt doesn't show the price, so it's good for gifts. Oh, that's a nice idea. But this one is for me, so I don't need it. That's fine. Just the regular receipt then. Yes, please. Here you go. Keep it safe in case you need it later. I will. Thank you.
You're becoming an expert at this.
Ha, maybe. I learned a lot today.
What did you learn?
I learned about exchanges, refunds, and gift receipts.
And you learned the tag and receipt rule too.
Yes, that's the most important one.
Have a wonderful day.
You too. Thank you again.
Ready to go?
Yes, let's go home.
Do you want to stop for lunch first?
That sounds nice. I'm a little hungry.
Me too. Let's find a place nearby.
Good idea. That was a good day.
I agree. Everything worked out well.
Yes, I got the right size for the wedding.
And you learned some new words too.
That's true. Let me think of them.
Go ahead.
Exchange, refund, receipt, and tags.
Don't forget run small and true to size.
Oh, right. Ben taught me those.
He was very helpful.
Yes, and Nora explained the store policy so clearly.
You handled everything really well today.
Thank you. I was nervous at first.
I could tell, but you did great.
I'm glad I had the receipt and the tags.
That made everything much easier.
I'll always keep my receipts from now on.
That's a good habit.
And I'm happy the shirt fits now.
You'll look wonderful at the wedding.
Thank you, Max. It means a lot to me.
Are you thinking about your mom again?
Yes, a little. I think she would be proud of me today.
I'm sure she would be.
Thank you for coming with me.
Of course. I'm always happy to help.
This whole day felt like a small adventure.
It did. A simple errand turned into a good memory.
Yes, and now I'm ready for Saturday.
You are. Everything is set.
I feel much more confident now.
You should. You handled it all yourself.
With your help, too.
We make a good team.
We really do.
Should we head home after lunch?
Yes, let's finish eating first.
Sounds good to me.
Today turned out better than I expected.
Sometimes the simple days are the best ones.
I agree. Thank you for today, Max.
Anytime, Lily. I'm glad it worked out.
Do you think I should tell my cousin about the wedding shirt story?
That could be a fun story to share.
Maybe I will, after the wedding is over.
She might like knowing how much thought you put into it.
Yes, I think she would.
Well, we still have a few days before the big day.
True. I feel ready now.
Then let's enjoy the rest of our lunch.
Sounds perfect.